What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. We have the Samsung Galaxy A32 in the house now, and this is going to be the first ever device in a budget level category, which is going to be coming with a 90Hz of refresh rate inside, and this is going to be an absolutely new design on the back side of that particular device. So this variant which I have holding right now is going to be coming with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and the color I have chosen for is going to be the awesome blue color inside. So this is going to be an unboxing for the Galaxy A32, and probably I will going to give my first impression about that particular device. So let's begin the unboxing. And inside the box we have some content. Here we have the lid box, and in here we will check out and see what we are going to have inside that box. So let's open it up. Basically, after opening the box, we have a quick startup guide in here, and also we have some warranty information also included inside that particular device. And also we have the silicone cover, which is looking great. We have some new camera bump on the back side, and it has a great cutout here on the back and also on the bottom of the device. So moving that aside, we have the device itself in here, which is wrapped in plastic, and it is going to be coming with some cool features inside. And particularly we have some bunch of information like the infinity display. We have a quad camera setup on the back side and an on-screen fingerprint reader. So we will check out that particular device in a moment, and let's put it aside. Let's see other box content. We have a USB 2.0 to USB Type-C cable in here, and also we have a charger inside the box, and basically that charger is going to be of I think 15 watt, and this is going to be ridiculous because if a phone has a 15 watt, we cannot charge fastly using that charger. So the last thing which is going to be coming inside the box is obviously going to be the SIM ejector pin, which is standard right now. So these are the things which are coming inside the box of Galaxy A32. We have the device. Let's unwrap the paper here and turn on the device. So guys, I have set up the Galaxy A32 real quickly and also peel off the cover, and the device is looking pretty amazing. One of the things that separates the Galaxy A32 from other devices is going to be the camera sensor which are coming on the back side. These are the camera sensor that they have their own individual camera bump. Rather than placing them on the square shape cutouts, we have an individual camera bump on the back side, and the back is going to be coming not in a gloss. As you can see, it looking like that we have a gloss on the back side. Rather than that, it is going to be a plastic on the back side, and it is going to be a fingerprint smudges on the back side of the device, which is going to be ridiculous from Samsung. We have the matte finish on the A51, which is not as much of fingerprint magnet, but this is going to be a fingerprint magnet. You have to use the case in order to avoid them. The camera sensor on the back side are looking great. We have a 64 megapixel of a main sensor, 8 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of a depth sensor macro shooter, and a depth sensor is also available on the back side. With that, we also are going to see a flashlight available in there. One of the things which is more importantly in here is going to be the display which is coming inside the Galaxy A32, because it's going to be coming with a 90Hz of refresh rate at a 6.5 inch of Super AMOLED 1080p display, which is amazing because the 90Hz of refresh rate makes this device to be even smoother than the 60Hz refresh rate devices. And all the devices which are coming in the A series right now, the A32, A52 and A72, are coming with the 90Hz of refresh rate in the 4G variant of the devices. So honestly, this display is looking pretty amazing. The Super AMOLED display with IP68 rating is also available here, is looking great. Also, you will see that there is going to be a U-shaped notch on the top, which is coming with a camera sensor of 16 megapixel, which is looking to be having a decent quality. I'm not expecting that this is going to be a great camera sensor on the front. Also, the bezels are going to be pretty slim on the sides of the device, and on the top we have slim bezels, but on the bottom you will see that there is going to be a significantly larger you can say chin, and I'm not really impressed personally from that chin, because I was expecting that this chin might be smaller in 2021 model of the Galaxy A series. Well, talking about the design of the Galaxy A32, we have the power button on the right side and volume up and down button here. Also on the top we have the noise cancellation mic, whereas on the left side we have the SIM tray, and on the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack, noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port, and a single bottom firing speaker, stereo speaker is going to be available. So all in all, the design wise, it is going to be absolutely a good device. You may have to see some scratches on the back if you don't put the cover on the back side of the device, so you have to be really careful. The front is also protected by Gorilla Glass protection, and I think that it is going to be a Gorilla Glass 5 protection which is going to be available on the front side. So the device is also going to be coming with the latest Android 11 support, I think, inside. Let's check it out and see which kind of software we have right now. Yes, it's going to be supported by Android 11 with One UI 3.1 on the top, which is going to be available in some of the latest devices which we have seen from Samsung. And also one of the things which is pretty much amazing from Samsung, and that is going to be the 3 years of software update for the Galaxy A series and all those devices which are coming this year from Samsung. So this is going to be a really great device in terms of software update. So guys, internally the device is going to be coming with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor, which is not going to be pretty amazing processor inside that particular device, but still it is going to be coming inside. And honestly, I was expecting that the Samsung will provide some decent processor inside, not the Helio G80, because it is not going to be really amazing in terms of that particular price tag. And the other thing which is going to be important inside is that it is coming with a 6GB and 128GB of storage, the variant I have right now, which is really great option, because 128GB of storage is going to be really amazing. We also have the dedicated micro SD card slot, which I will going to test out, and also see the SIM situation which is going to be available inside that particular machine. So let's check out. Yeah, we have the dedicated slot for the SIM situation. Here we have the micro SD card slot as well, which is going to be dedicated, so that is going to be really amazing for that category of device. So guys, we are also going to see a support for in-display fingerprint scanner, which is not going to be as much fast as some of the other devices which are coming with a fingerprint sensor inside that particular device, but things are going to be really great if we have a fingerprint scanner built inside the display. So I'm loving that kind of fingerprint sensor inside the device. Also, we have the support for Face ID and some other cool stuff that are already available inside One UI 3.1 devices. So guys, overall the device is also going to be coming with 5000 mAh of a battery capacity inside, which is really great for a 90 Hz of a refresh rate category device, and that is going to be pretty amazing. I am really loving that device in terms of its battery capacity, but the thing which I am disappointment right now, because it is going to be coming with a 15W of charger only inside the box, which will not going to be a fast charging. So guys, overall this device is looking great in terms of its build quality and performance, and Android 11 support and the 5000 mAh of a battery cell are going to be really amazing. These are my first impressions. Right now I will test out the device thoroughly and see whether this device is going to be amazing or not. On the first glance, it is going to be a really good option for all those guys who specifically want a Samsung device. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Peace.